No peeking. No peeking.
Is that you need to let the tanks pull the bosses and let them get aggro. If we push in and they pull preemptively, it can wipe people. So just let the tanks do the job and support them. Okay, so what about the marshals, right? Who's tanking those marshals?
Are they here in Vent?
So just one take the left, one take the right.
I can tank one of them.
Yeah.
Okay, who's taking the
Yeah,
right?
I can take
We have way far away from Van, but stay in the building. Also, single target Van, guys. Single target Van.
Brian the monk will take the left.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Who's got the right? Who's gonna tank the
Alright, I got dash and...
Yeah.
Is Road Dog here? Yeah, he's here, okay.
So yeah, the main tank. Who's the main tank? Dash, right?
Yes. And if you have PvE gear that's better than your PvP gear, you have a moment to switch it. On the brick.
Kill these first mobs, but don't.
I've done.
How do we have to wait for everybody to catch up? Get the main tank marked, and I guess if we do just focus.
Banners right here.
Push it.
Yeah, I just focus.
One person pushing it can wipe it all. Don't do it.
I'm taking Ice Wing.
Target
Van is the target. Everybody target Van. If you mark him, you can't mark him. But you know what he looks like. Ginger dwarf. Okay, is everybody here? Is everybody ready? Tanks, get your targets that you're gonna tank. You know when you're all ready.
Yep. All we're missing is Hurlua.
What about the rest? The other two, left and right tanks. Are you ready?
You've got 1 minute. You've got 1 minute or we don't get blitzed.
Let's go. We're pulling right now. Everybody in. All in. Let the tanks push. Everything on Vandar. Pop every timer you have. Try and single target Van. Don't pull the aggro from the marshal. How are our tanks doing? If those tanks die, I want instant battle res. Even if you have to not res DPS. The aggro's down. Keep on him. 75%. Big timer. How are our tanks doing?
Still alive.
Big dots, big timers. Two of the Alliance are trying to wipe us. Stay on Van. Tag is down. Stay on Vandar. Everybody. If you can battle res people, get them up. Keep battle res is going. Keep dots, refreshing dots.
He's almost down. He's almost down.
Tanks are all down.
Don't kite him out. Don't kite him out. Keep him in here.
Stay on Van. Keep hitting him. Use all your battle reses. All your dots.
Dill's down.
He's only 8%. Keep it up. Pop defensive stances.
Move, Kizo. Yeah, he does one shot.
Keep it up.
He's almost there.
4%. 3%.
3.
More damage. 2%. You got it.
When healers DPS,
Everything DPS. Yes. Smite. Everything you got.
Even healers.
Nice.
There you go.
Did people actually get blitz, or did we miss the
Yes.
No,
I saw it.
I got it.
So 7 minutes.
That whole thing.
Okay, it says 7 minutes, but out of that 7 minutes, 2 minutes are in the cave, so we did it in 5.